Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video of this ML350 2006 model, the w164 chassis. And on today's video I'm just going to show you how you can reset the service warning that you might get there. This one says service C, but it could be A, it could be B, and it says exceeded by 345 days. In this case scenario, it could be 1 day, 5 days, 10 days, whatever. So in order to reset that, what we need to do is basically make sure you have the mileage showing there. By the way, if you get the ignition on, obviously you get that message, but your mileage is on. If you just flick that with the arrows, you will see that your mileage is showing in the menu. And then what we're going to do is put the ignition in position 1 and press this button here 3 times. Right, so once you have the voltage display there, then you want to use this arrow here to go down. If you press that once, it will go down to that service menu, and then you want to go to confirmation, and you want to do that with this minus sign here. So when you press it, it will go down to confirmation, and to continue on confirmation you have to press this button here. So if you press it once and release it, it will go to that, and it says full service, cancel full service, cancel single. So if you press that again, this here, press it 1 time, it's going to say service confirmed. Now we can switch off the ignition, switch the ignition back on, and the service message is gone. Now with the arrows you can look for the next service interval. It says service display not possible, so the message is gone, and the new service will probably come up as you drive the car and whatnot, but it is usually every year that comes up. So anyway, that's how you can reset it. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.